Welcome to our guide on how to make money online. It's no secret that the internet has opened up endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. Step 1. Find your niche. According to Forbes, niche markets are the key to success in online business. Find something you're passionate about and build your brand around it. Step 2. Leverage social media. With over 3 billion social media users, platforms like Instagram and Facebook are essential for building an online presence. A recent study by eMarketer shows that e-commerce sales from social media are expected to reach $36 billion by 2021. Step 3. Monetize your content. There are countless ways to monetize your online content, from affiliate marketing to sponsored posts. Get creative and find what works best for your brand. And there you have it. 3 practical steps towards building a successful online business and making money online. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. Start building your online empire today.